Hello, hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is Arvind here. So I'm going to explain to you one of the trades which I took today, and I'll also explain the logic behind the trades, and also we'll look at the market analysis and how to plan our trades from here. Okay, so Nifty, as you all know, was bullish in the last few days, right? So I'm in the hourly chart of Nifty, and I took a position yesterday, that is 7th of July. Somewhere here, I took a Nifty call option because I'm expecting Nifty to go up. So I buy Nifty 10,600 call options. As you can see on the screen, this is the chart options chart, and I'm buying somewhere here around 307. That's my entry. You can see on the chart itself, you can see there's a good high that was formed, and back to my you can call it support zone, and then from there it starts to go up. Right, so I'm going to make an entry and keep a stop loss somewhere at 280. That's my trade setup. Right, I'm expecting a target of 360 to 370. That's my target. And as you all know, you can Nifty was bullish, right? As per this chart, from here I make an entry somewhere here, and it goes up. I'm holding it overnight, and today, as you can see, Nifty was testing 10,850. That is the strong supply zone. That's where starting to see some price rejection and starts to fall. And I'm still holding it, and at this point you can see Nifty starts to correct. In the 15 minutes chart you can see here exactly at 10,833. From there it starts to show some weakness. This is today on 8th of July at 2:15 p.m. You can see here from here it starts to correct. There's a big fall, and it's coming back to the support zones of 10,680. That is the major support for Nifty, right? So on my trade, what I do, okay, I'm buying it here and I have to sell some here, right? So I'll show you my orders which I placed today. I'm exiting at 376, right? So on this chart, let me just explain this to you. You can see this is my depth of market. You can see the high is at 378, right? I'm exiting just close to the high of 376, and from there you can see on this chart it starts to correct, right? So it's important to time your entry and exit, right? Otherwise it will be a problem. You can see here at 376 I'm exiting at 2:15 p.m. today, and from there it starts to fall and it's coming back to my low point, right? If at all I didn't exit the position here, I would have probably booked a loss, because it is going to my entry somewhere here 306, it's going to go below that, right? So it's very important to time your entry and exit. And you can see here my positions tab. This is my profit. I booked about 51,000 rupees profit on this trade, and I bought around 10 lots of Nifty. That is my trade. In 2 days, my capital was around 2.3 lakh rupees. My returns was 50,000 rupees. So this is my trade which I took in Nifty. And so looking at the chart of Nifty, you can see it is actually taking support at 10,680 to 690 zone, right? So there is a gap here. So if at all Nifty opens gap down, or if we see some kind of weakness below 10,680, there is a good chance of this testing 10,600 or 10,550, which is the previous support zone. So we have to keep track of where we open tomorrow. And if at all we open slightly gap up, there's a good chance of recovery in the market. And overall market trend, or the trend looks bullish. Okay, there is some kind of small retracement you can see here, but the overall trend still remains bullish. Okay, in fact Nifty formed a doji pattern and a bearish signal here, so it's going to take support at 10,600. That is the maximum point now where you can start seeing some kinds of sideways movement and consolidation before we start moving up. So the trend overall still remains bullish. There's a very good chance of us testing 10,800 to 900 again, and we can start seeing more upside. So that's my view on Nifty. Looking at Bank Nifty chart, in fact Bank Nifty gave a good breakout yesterday, that's 7th of July, about 22,500. Okay, and Bank Nifty gave a good strong rally today, but starts to correct towards the end and is closing just above the support. Okay, so both Nifty and Bank Nifty have taken support, and there is a good chance the support will be held and we can start seeing some recovery. So only if we break this support, there is a good chance of falling more from here. but a lot of factors have to be looked at. First of all, look at the FIDI's data. FIIs have gone into selling in the cash market, right? So we have to be staying a little cautious, but on the F&O segment, they've added some longs. So we have to take notice of that. And having said that, the European markets are kind of trading, they're closed negative for today. And Dow Jones, if you look at Dow Jones, it is kind of recovering. So it's not falling too much. Even SGX Nifty is kind of recovering from here. So I don't see much of a fall from here. This kind of correction is normal in a strong uptrend. So there's a good chance, and as long as we as long as we hold support at 10,680, I think there is a good chance of further consolidation and further uptrend. And tomorrow being a weekly expiry, we can expect some kind of high volatility must be there, and there could be bullish trend expected tomorrow. But again, it's in the near term, I think we can expect some kind of sideways movement, not much of a big uptrend or downtrend from here. But we have to keep an eye on the levels. If it is going to break down below support or break out above resistance, we can take further position. As long as market is moving sideways, just keep your trades intraday, and then you can trade in options to be safer. You can buy options, and then you can take it from there. So that's my view, and that is my trades. I hope you found this video useful. You can also share your thoughts in the comment box. Also feel free to share this video with your friends or leave your comments, and I will be able to reply to your comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care and happy trading. Bye bye.